Today we will show you how to use AP mode of the Flyingvoice phone. In the AP mode, the phone broadcasts an SSID for other devices to connect. You can set up the AP mode on the phone's LCD screen or on the web interface. Go to Menu, Advanced Settings. Go to Network. Select AP. Enable it. Then enter the SSID and the password. Press OK. Turn on the AP mode will turn off the Wi-Fi switch. Press OK and the phone will reboot. After the phone rebooted, we can connect it to its SSID on other devices. Log into the phone's web interface. Go to Wireless. Go to Basic. Find AP switch and turn it on. Set up a SSID. Then click on Save on the button. After that, go to Wireless Security. Set up a Wi-Fi password. Then click on Save. Finally, click on Reboot to make the settings take effect. After the phone rebooted, we can connect to its SSID on other devices.